Welcome to this honest review of healthy crockpot recipes, a website that promises to revolutionize how you prepare healthy meals with the convenience of a slow cooker. As soon as you land on the homepage, the layout is inviting and easy to navigate, designed with simplicity in mind. A vibrant recipe search bar immediately catches your attention, offering various categories like low-calorie, high-protein, gluten-free, and family-friendly meals. This streamlined design ensures you can quickly find what you're looking for without feeling overwhelmed. The homepage highlights trending recipes and offers practical tips for slow cooker meal prep, showcasing options like hearty soups, flavorful stews, and even slow-cooked desserts. One standout feature is the meal prep guide section, which provides detailed instructions on how to plan a week's worth of meals using a slow cooker. It's especially useful for busy individuals looking to save time while maintaining a nutritious diet. Each recipe page is thoughtfully designed with clear step-by-step instructions, nutritional breakdowns, and cooking tips. Many recipes include variations for dietary restrictions, making the site highly inclusive for vegetarians, vegans, and those following keto or paleo diets. For instance, a classic chicken stew recipe may also suggest tofu or lentil substitutes for plant-based eaters. The photography accompanying the recipes is professional and appetizing, giving you a sense of what the final dish will look like. Navigating the site is smooth, with quick loading times and no intrusive pop-ups. However, one minor downside is the occasional overlap of ads with content on mobile devices, which can disrupt the user experience slightly. The website also offers a tips and tricks blog with advice on optimizing slow cooker usage, storing leftovers, and maintaining nutritional balance in meals. This adds value for users looking to expand their knowledge beyond just recipes. The Healthy Crockpot Recipes website does an excellent job of balancing functionality with aesthetic appeal, creating an engaging platform for users of all cooking skill levels. If you're passionate about healthy eating and convenience, this site is worth exploring. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like to support more honest reviews like this one.